Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be talking about joint pain and how it is considered a common ailment and part of old age. But really, joint pain can be reversed with these few simple things I'm about to tell you. Calcium, vitamin D, and iron are extremely important to keep your joints healthy and lubricated. You can get these naturally through foods and being outside in the sun, or take a supplement such as a daily multivitamin. Here's a smoothie you can make from foods you have in your home that includes everything you need to help stop and potentially reverse joint pain. Make a smoothie with the following ingredients: 2 cups of water, 1 glass of orange juice, 2 small cups of sliced pineapple, 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon or a cinnamon stick, 1 spoonful of natural raw local honey. Mix all of this into a blender for a yummy smoothie and relief in your joints. Make sure you make this every day. You can drink it morning or night. After about 1 week, you should feel much relief from your pain. Do you have any other tips? Let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. We hope you found our tips valuable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.